The pit bull is one of the most misunderstood dogs in the world. Behind the muscular build is an energetic, people-loving companion that thrives on training and attention. A well-raised pit bull is loyal, athletic and eager to please. They excel in sports, obedience and family life. When given proper guidance and socialization, the American Bully was bred for companionship. Compared to the Pit Bull, it's usually stockier, calmer, and more relaxed. They love being around their families and often enjoy cuddles just as much as playtime. German Shepherd. The German Shepherd is famous for intelligence and unmatched work ethic. American Bully. Despite their powerful appearance, American Bullies are often gentle giants. They prefer spending time with their owners over chasing endless exercise. German Shepherds are highly trainable and protective, making them one of the world's top police and service breeds. When comparing the Rottweiler and the German Shepherd, both are confident and loyal protectors. Rottweilers are stronger and more powerful, with incredible guarding instinct. German Shepherds are faster, more agile, and generally easier to train for advanced tasks. If you want raw strength, the Rottweiler stands out. If you want versatility, the German has the edge. My red-nosed pit bull. Billy doesn't care about companionship. He's just happy to be with his family, hoping someone accidentally drops a snack. Pitbull versus American Bully. Pitbull versus American Bully. The comparison surprises many people. Although they share common ancestry, they're quite different today. Pitbulls are leaner, lighter, and built for athletic performance. They have incredible stamina, speed, and drive. American Bullies, on the other hand, are heavier, wider, and bred primarily as companion dogs. They generally have a calmer temperament and lower energy level. Both breeds are affectionate, loyal, and thrive with responsible owners who provide training, exercise, and love. Neither breed is naturally aggressive towards people when properly raised. The biggest difference comes down to lifestyle. If you enjoy outdoor adventures and active training, the pit bull is the great match. If you prefer a relaxed family companion with a muscular look, the American bully may be the better choice. My red-nosed pit bull. Billy might not know any of these comparisons, but he definitely know where the treats are. But so which breed wins? The truth is, there isn't a single winner. Pit bulls impress with athleticism, endurance, and eagerness to work. American bullies shine with their calm personality, sturdy build, and affectionate nature. Both need responsible ownership, consistent training, and proper socialization to become amazing companions. A dog's behavior depends far more on how it's raised than on its breed alone. At the end of the day, whether you choose a pit bull, American bully, or German shepherd, or even a Rottweiler, the best dog is the one that fits your lifestyle and receives love, care, and respect. And for me, my red-nosed pit bull, Billy, will always be my number one. So let me know in the comments which breed do you prefer? Pit bulls, on the other hand, often thrive on human interaction. They love pleasing their owners and can learn commands quickly when training is positive and rewarding. My pit bull has the funniest face. One second he's serious, the next he's making this look.